The London Eye, or the Millennium Wheel, is a cantilevered observation wheel on the south bank of the River Thames in London. It is Europe's tallest cantilevered observation wheel and the most popular paid tourist attraction in the United Kingdom, with over 3 million visitors annually. The structure is 135 meters, 443 feet, tall, and the wheel has a diameter of 120 meters, 394 feet. When it opened to the public in 2000, it was the world's tallest Ferris wheel. Its height was surpassed by the 160 meters, 525 feet, Star of Nanchang in 2006, the 165 meters, 541 feet, Singapore Flyer in 2008, the 167 meters, 548 feet, High Roller, Las Vegas, in 2014, and the 250 meters, 820 feet, Ain Dubai in 2021. Supported by an A-frame on one side only, unlike these taller examples. The Eye is described by its operators as the world's tallest cantilevered observation wheel. The Eye offered the highest public viewing point in London until it was superseded by the 245-meter-high, 804 feet, observation deck on the 72nd floor of the Shard in early 2013. The London Eye adjoins the western end of Jubilee Gardens, previously the site of the former Dome of Discovery. On the south bank of the River Thames between Westminster Bridge and Hungerford Bridge beside County Hall, in the London Borough of Lambeth. The nearest tube station is Waterloo. Design and construction supported by an A-frame on one side only, the Eye is described by its operators as a cantilevered observation wheel. The London Eye was designed by the husband and wife team of Julia Barfield and David Marks of Marks Barfield Architects. Mace was responsible for construction management, with Hollandia as the main steelwork contractor and Tilbury Douglas as the civil contractor. Consulting engineers Tony G. and Partners designed the foundation works, while Beckett Rankin designed the marine works. Nathaniel Litchfield and Partners assisted the Tussauds Group in obtaining planning and listed building consent to alter the wall on the south bank of the Thames. The spindle, hub, and tensioned cables that support the rim of the Eye is supported by tensioned steel cables and resembles a huge spoke bicycle wheel. The lighting was redone with LED lighting from Color Kinetics in December 2006 to allow digital control of the lights as opposed to the manual replacement of gels over fluorescent tubes. The project was European, with major components coming from 6 countries. The steel was supplied from the UK and fabricated in the Netherlands by the Dutch company Hollandia. The cables came from Italy, the bearings came from Germany, FAG, Scheffler Group, the spindle and hub were cast in the Czech Republic. The capsules were made by Poma in France, and the glass for these came from Italy, and the electrical components from the UK. Opening the London Eye was formally opened by Prime Minister Tony Blair on the 31st of December 1999, but did not open to the paying public until the 9th of March 2000 because of a capsule clutch problem. On the 5th of June 2008, it was announced that 30 million people had ridden the London Eye since it opened. On the 2nd of June 2013, a passenger capsule was named the Coronation Capsule to mark the 60th anniversary of the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. That is all. Subscribe and post comments for future videos.